The Home Office is overhauling indefinite leave to remain ILR rules, impacting an estimated 2.6 million migrants. The standard path to settlement is doubling from 5 years to 10 years, starting from April 2026. So, what you need to know, number one, is massive delays. If you arrived after 2021, you could face a 10, 15, or even 20 years wait for the security of ILR. This applies to skilled workers, including health and care visa holders. Second is transitional risk. The proposed changes are designed to apply to everyone who has not yet achieved settlement. You cannot afford to wait and see. The third one is the fast track. The new system is highly complex, offering reduced waits as little as 3 years only for specific high earners, 125K. The clock is ticking. The consultation ends on Feb 12, 2026, with implementation planned for April 2026. If your application is not perfectly positioned, your wait could be double. You must act now before the rules get implemented. Don't risk decades of uncertainty. Kayani Legal specializes in directing these exact complex earned settlement rules. We can review your current status, map out your shortest possible legal route, and prepare your application meticulously. Contact us today for an urgent consultation. Square your future before the rules change. See you soon.